In trouble though. Ball on the floor. Bodies on the floor. Vert. Ramos snares the rebound.
Yeah, it's not stopping. Oh, talagang
You normally see players signal to the ref. Sarangay catches. Nilabas. Kapunta kay Raflo. Takes the free. Oh! Backs it in! Nakahanap si Marvin Hayes. Puts up a free. It's good! Catches. Fires. It's good!
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!
Between Muntinlupa and Bataan has lived up to the billing. An interesting choice by Muntinlupa, sending back Puroy Kantimbuhan.
Well, Patrick Ramos needed to rest. He played the entire fourth quarter.
Sazon lays it up and in over Marvin Hayes.
And ito yung mahirap if you're Muntinlupa. This overtime period gives the opportunity for a guy like Ives Sazon to light it up. The question is, can he make those baskets to help his rhythm here in the overtime period?
Oh, Marvin Hayes and Kantimbuhan not on the same page. For the Cagers, you have Gino Ludovice looking on. Kapawan, Darang, William Bing, Chris Xavier, and Sazon the 5 on the floor for the One Bataan Risers. Robbie Darang. Skip pass, Ives Sazon. Can't get it to go. Long rebound ends up with Ives. Yambing. Hard drive to the basket.
Aha, baliktad yung Pectus.
Para sa Muntinlupa naman, Kantimbuhan. Oh, Mark Sarangay is bleeding in the mouth. Referee's not seeing it. Marvin Hayes, no Mark Matiliano, and J.R. Flores, the 5 on the floor for the Cagers. Sarangay with a bloody bout, still continuing on. And I think si referee Karina Martin already seeing that one. He's bleeding profusely from the mouth. Ito si Mark Sarangay.
Oh, we gotta check out what happened there on that previous play. There must have been something. Yeah, it's not stopping. Oh, talagang tumutuloy.
Yeah. Tuloy-tuloy. I credit him for gutting it out. You know, you normally see players signal to the referee na tinamaan siya, pero siya tumuloy lang sa laro.
It did not even try to stop. Usually, ibang players uupo na lang.
Yeah.
Sarangay just kept playing.
Sarangay almost a double-double. 8 points, 9 rebounds. And these two teams, particularly Muntinlupa and Bataan, they're trying to relive the perceived lost glory that they had in the first couple of seasons of the MPBL. We remember Muntinlupa, they were in the finals in season 1. Itong Bataan for the right mix. But I think in this particular game, Javi, nakikita natin how resilient, how poised this Bataan squad is.
Yeah, and that is because of the inspired play of guys like Robbie Darang, really helping them pull through times of adversity. Gotta give credit as well to Jamil Gabawan, who has been steady in the front court.
Let's hear. I think si Yambing yung nakatama kay Mark Sarangay dito.
Yeah, tama yung ulo niya.
Yeah. Actually, hindi headbutt. Yung ulo nga tumama.
Ulo tumama dun sa
Ping. Now, Muntinlupa. Let's see how they can attack here. Flores, a second remaining on the shot clock. Shot clock violation na yan laban sa Muntinlupa. Bataan getting another stop.
organize well para dito sa Risers.
Guarded by Puroy Kantimbuhan. Hubert Cani crossing the half-court line. Babawan receives the pass. Lobs it up inside. Cani That ball off the foot of Puroy.
That's good anticipation by Katimbuhan. Getting in between.
Sa shot clock ng Bataan. Kani will trigger it in from the baseline. Hanap ng papasahan. It ends up with Jamil Gabawan. Trying to power through. Oh, the great help defense by Marvin Hayes.
Rotating well and timing that block. Ito si Marvin Hayes. March De Leon was wide open underneath.
Hindi na nakita. Puroy instead will reset their offense. Good screen. Flores. No, that pass off target, but Hayes able to save it. Flores in trouble, losing it. 2-on-1 fast break opportunity, but blown away by Bataan.
Oh my goodness. These two teams.
Hayes, short. Running start for Dom Vera. Both teams still over the limit. Vera attacks. Draws a foul.
Penalty situation.
And I'm seeing Robbie Darang being iced on the sideline. Yung batok niya, no? Getting an ice pack. A thumbs up to Coach Ogie Gumatay. He's ready to come back in. Dom Vera, 2 clutch free throws. 71-67 for the Bataan Risers. Patrick Ramos. Matiliano, laban kay Dom Vera. He attacks, the up fake. Oh, great help defense, this time by Gabawan. Still a lot of 3 points. Number 2 in the league.
Wow.
Sarangay catches, nilabas, kapunta kay Raflo. Takes the free, oh, backs it in!
I was gonna say, that's not going in. No way possible. The line wasn't good, but it came straight to the bank. And Muntinlupa is down by just a point.
Dito po sa MPB. Ito yung tres galing kay J.R. Flores.
Time and time again, J.R. Flores in this game has bailed Muntinlupa. Session after the review. This was the play, the swipe by Matiliano. That comes off the foot of Dom Vera. And I think even Vera knew already.
Parehong kumpunan, isang timeout pa dito. Ramos will set the play for the Cagers. Matiliano gets it. Working with Flores. JR laban kay Gabawan. They go at the post. Marvin Hayes against Ives Sazon. Handoff to Dolmark Matiliano. Fires a free and scores!
Nice execution by Muntinlupa. I love how Marvin Hayes did not force the issue even if that play was designed para sa kanya. That was a clear out for the former JRU Heavy Bomber. Walang available na shot. Goes out to Matiliano who hits the 3.
Ball will stay with Bataan. A minute and...
There's the miss. And then look at Hayes and Sarangay. That's off his leg. We're going to switch all screens here.
Flores trying to keep in step. Darang gets to the paint. Kapulong. Oh, can't convert. Ramos snares the rebound. And he gets tangled up with Jamil Gabawan.
I love how Patrick Ramos just walked away. This was a gimme.
Oh yeah.
A miss right there by JL Kapulong. That should have been 2 points to tie the game. A nice resolve shown there by Patrick Ramos na tamaan pa nga ni J.R. Flores.
Not see a sign of him engaged. Oh, another miss. A 1 possession ball game. Oh, but he misses. But Flores able to clear it. In trouble though. Ball on the floor. Bodies on the floor. And it looks like out of bounds against J.R. Flores.
I don't think it was a good decision for J.R. Flores to still try.
But you're right. That was the better option. Instead, he was met by a plethora of Bataan Risers in the vicinity.
Dahil yan na nga ang mangyayari. Obviously, Bataan wanted to get possession, so they would...
Darang receives the pass from Sazon. Foul against Sarangay. Penalty situation for either squad.
Although it is gonna be an opportunity for them to tie this game, I just don't agree that
So far. Sablay ulit. Sinks in the second one. No need to foul if you're Bataan. Sarangay gets it to Patrick Ramos. 38 seconds to go here in the first overtime period. Ramos laban kay Darang. Darang almost stealing it away again. All will stay with Muntinlupa. Both teams in penalty. Tiliano, nahanap si Marvin Hayes. Puts up a free. It's good!
What a shot!
Dom Vera tries to answer. No good. Gabawan inside. The reverse. And he'll head to the line. Oh my goodness. Marvin Hayes.
My golly. Shot clock was winding down. Defense was all over him. Still managed to...
Gabawan though has to sink in the first one, which he can't do. Gabawan, sablay ulit yung pangalawa. Kapulong gets it back. JL trying to power up. Gets it back, gets it in, plus a foul. Still not over, 6 seconds to go.
Now he has gonna make this free throw.
Some fans though have headed for the exits, but this is not a done deal yet.
This is not over.
6 on the line. Clearly trying to miss it. Oh! It will
That's a
stay with
turnover,
Bataan! They're still alive!
And they still have an opportunity to win this. Matiliano, nobody was in front of him, but he ran out of space.
Here we go. Sazon catches, fires, it's good! Say!
How would you forget about Yves Sazon? What a screen set there by Jamil Gabawan.
Free throws, but they got the ball back, setting up that three by Sazon. Let's see here. Muntinlupa. Flores catches, and will not get off a shot. That's the ball game. What a win by the One Bataan Risers. Never finish.
An excellent denial on all fronts there by the Bataan Risers, preventing any cager from having a clean look at receive.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!